How to add volume buttons on screen on Android. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you can add volume buttons on screen on Android. It's very simple. First of all, you need to download these two applications that I'm showing on my screen, Volume and Assistive volume buttons. You may just go to Play Store and download it. The first app I'm going to be using is called Volume. It's very simple. When you tap on it, you can see I get the volume button at the side of my screen. You can increase the sound or decrease the sound with it. This app is very simple. But we also have another app which helps us to add volume permanently. Like we don't need to come back to our home screen and tap on this volume icon. So let's start with assistive volume buttons. Open the application. And for this application, you need to give permissions, tap on overlay, and then here you can see that the volume button option is disabled. Just turn it on and then get back to your app and give the permissions to run it in the background, tap on allow, and then you'll get options. Here you can see show volume options, tap enable it and you can see this plus and minus icon at the side of your screen. Just place it anywhere wherever it is easy for you, and when you tap on the plus icon, the volume will increase in your device, whereas when you tap on the minus icon, it will decrease. You can also customize it, select whatever style you want, the iOS one or the Android 12 GB, Android Heart. You may choose any of the styles, and you can go to button settings and resize the button size. You can also increase and decrease the transparency, and you can also increase or decrease the distance between the buttons. You can also change the color of the button background, red or whatever, and tap on OK, and you can see the color just changed. You can also change the outline color. I'm going to choose blue and tap on OK, and you can see that the outline colors has also been changed. You may also fix the button positions for it to not move. And under button settings, you can see slider settings. You can increase the transparency of the slider. You may just customize it however you want. You also have other options, but you need to buy the premium version for it. So in this way, you can add volume buttons on your screen or Android with these two apps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.